Hello everyone, welcome back to Tooltip Tuesday. Today I've ground or simulated a step drill with multiple diameters and multiple steps, and by default it assigns a colour to each feature. And we can change the colours of these features easily by using the drop down list here and changing it to time, colour by operation, by move, and so on. But if we want to customize it, for example, if we wanted to present the tool in a different way and highlight all the steps a particular color and all the diameters a different color, we can do that easily by going into our 3D simulation software. And instead of going to the drop-down menu where it gives us all the different options, we can go in and open our color mapping legend. And this is where we can see which color has been assigned to which feature, but this is also where we can customize what color we want per feature. So, for example, if we wanted to change all the step diameters to a green for this matter, we can do that by clicking on each color, right-clicking, change color, and selecting the color we want to change it to. And we can do that for all of our diameters. Change them all to green, and we can see now that all our diameters are changed to the same color, so it gives the tool a different look. But we can still see that the steps are multiple colors, and if we want to change that, we just follow the same process by looking at the color of the step, matching that up with the legend, right clicking, change the color. We can change it to red for this matter and do the same for each step. And then we can customize the tool to how we want the tool to look for presentation purposes or how, depending on what we need to do. If we're not happy with that and we want to revert back to the original default colors, we can do that by simply going over to the mapping legend, right clicking, and select default colors. So thanks everybody for joining. I hope you find this tooltip useful. Join in for next time, and we'll see you then.